Most people think the hunting rifle market doesn't really change year to year. Same calibers, same platforms, same brands doing the same thing. And on the surface, that sounds reasonable. But when you actually spend time behind these rifles, in real conditions, carrying them, cycling the bolt, dealing with weather, weight, recoil, and shot placement, you start to notice something important. The gap between a rifle that looks good on paper and one that actually works when it matters keeps getting wider. 2026 isn't about flashy releases or marketing hype, it's about refinement. Lighter builds that still hold zero, actions that run smoother when cold or dirty, stocks that actually fit real shooters instead of showroom mannequins. These are rifles built for sporting use, survival scenarios, and legally responsible home defense roles where consistency and stopping power matter more than brand loyalty. In this project, we're breaking down 8 rifles that genuinely stand out heading into 2026. Not because they're trendy, but because they deliver where it counts. Accuracy you can trust, ergonomics that make sense, reliability that holds up after long days, bad weather, and hard use. Some of these rifles are familiar names refined to near perfection. Others are quietly outperforming expectations without much noise. This is not a sales pitch. It's a practical, hands-on style review focused on real-world effectiveness, center mass consistency, and the kind of performance that gives you confidence instead of excuses. If you're looking for polished marketing, this isn't that. If you want straight talk from the field, you're in the right place. Number 8 on this 2026 list is the CVA Cascade XT. CVA doesn't get talked about much in high-end hunting circles. And honestly, that's part of why the Cascade keeps surprising people. This rifle isn't trying to impress anyone at the range bench. It's built for practical use, the kind where you're hiking, setting up fast, and needing a clean, repeatable shot when conditions aren't perfect. For 2026, the Cascade XT continues to stand out as one of the most balanced rifles in its price category. The action is a 3-lug design with a short bolt throw, and it cycles smoother than most people expect at this level. It's not glassy like a premium European rifle, but it's consistent and predictable, which matters more in real use. The barrel comes threaded, which adds flexibility for recoil management and control, especially when you're focused on center mass placement and quick follow-up shots. The stock is simple, but it fits well, with a neutral grip angle that works from field positions, prone, or supported shooting. Accuracy is solid, easily capable of 1 MOA with quality factory ammo. For sporting, survival planning, or a legally responsible home defense role, the Cascade XT delivers real stopping power without unnecessary complexity. It's proof that practical rifles don't need hype to earn their place. The Weatherby Vanguard is one of those rifles that never tries to steal the spotlight, and that's exactly why it keeps earning trust year after year. While a lot of modern rifles chase lighter weights or trend-driven features, the Vanguard stays focused on one thing, doing its job the same way every single time you press the trigger. The action feels solid and controlled, not loose, not rushed. The 2-lug bolt cycles with a firm, mechanical confidence that holds up well in cold, dust, and long days of use. The 3-position safety is simple but practical, especially when you're loading or unloading in the field and want full control without unnecessary movement. The cold hammer forged barrel is where this rifle quietly shines. It maintains consistency shot after shot, and sub-MOA accuracy is common with good factory ammunition. The stock design favors stability over flash. It settles naturally into the shoulder and stays predictable under recoil, which helps maintain center mass consistency and fast recovery for follow-up shots. For sporting applications, long-term survival planning, or a legally responsible home defense role, the Weatherby Vanguard delivers dependable stopping power without asking for special treatment. It's not built to impress on a spec sheet. It's built to keep working when everything else becomes a distraction. Number 6 is the Ruger American Gen 2. Ruger didn't reinvent the wheel here, and that's exactly why the Gen 2 works so well. The original Ruger American earned its reputation by being affordable and dependable, and for 2026, the Gen 2 refines the weak points without losing what made the rifle practical in the first place. This is a rifle built for people who actually use their gear instead of babying it. The biggest improvement is the stock. The Gen 2 feels more rigid and better balanced, especially when shooting from improvised field positions. The adjustable length of pull makes a real difference, not just for comfort, but for consistency when you're focused on center mass accuracy. The 3-lug bolt with a short throw cycles smoothly, clears optics easily, and feeds reliably from the rotary magazine even when things get dusty or cold. Accuracy is better than most expect in this price range. With quality ammo, 1 MOA performance is realistic, and follow-up shots stay controlled thanks to manageable recoil. The threaded barrel adds flexibility for recoil control and overall handling. For sporting use, survival preparedness, or a legally responsible home defense role, the Ruger American Gen 2 delivers dependable stopping power without excess weight or cost. It's simple, honest, and effective, which is exactly why it earns its spot. Number 5 is the Bergara B14 Squared crest. This is where the list starts to lean clearly into performance-driven rifles. Bergara has built a strong reputation by focusing on barrels and actions that simply shoot, and the B14 Squared crest takes that philosophy and packages it in a lighter, more field-friendly setup for 2026. It's not designed to look tactical or flashy. It's designed to put rounds exactly where you intend them to go. The heart of the rifle is the B14 action, which runs smooth and consistent without feeling loose or over-polished. The bolt lift is deliberate, and the feeding from AICS-style magazines is reliable, even when shooting from awkward positions. The barrel is where Bergara really shines. It holds accuracy through longer strings. And sub-OA performance is not the exception here, it's the expectation. The carbon fiber stock reduces weight while staying rigid, which matters when you're shooting from natural supports instead of a bench. Recoil stays predictable, allowing fast recovery and controlled follow-up shots. For sporting use, extended range hunting, or a survival scenario where precision equals confidence, the B14 Squared crest offers serious stopping power with very few compromises. This is a rifle for shooters who value results over branding. Number 4 is the Tikka T3X Lite. There's a reason the T3X keeps showing up on lists like this year after year. It's not because it's trendy, and it's definitely not because it's overbuilt. It's because this rifle just works, no matter who's behind it or where it's being used. For 2026, the Tikka T3X Lite remains one of the most confidence-inspiring rifles you can carry into the field. The bolt action is the first thing people notice. It's smooth without being delicate, fast without feeling rushed, and it keeps running even when conditions aren't ideal. The short bolt throw clears optics easily and makes follow-up shots feel natural. The cold hammer forged barrel is consistently accurate, and sub-MOA results with quality factory ammo are common rather than rare. The lightweight stock keeps fatigue down during long days, but it's stiff enough to stay stable when shooting from prone or supported positions. Recoil is well managed, which helps maintain center mass consistency and quick recovery between shots. For sporting use, survival planning, or a legally responsible home defense role, the T3X Lite delivers reliable stopping power without unnecessary weight or complexity. It's the kind of rifle that disappears in your hands, and that's exactly the point. Number 3 is the Fierce Rogue. This is the point on the list where things start to feel more custom than factory. The Fierce Rogue is built for shooters who want lightweight performance without giving up precision. And for 2026, it continues to deliver exactly that. This rifle isn't about chasing specs. It's about how everything comes together when you're actually behind the gun. The carbon fiber stock is a major part of the equation. It's rigid, well-balanced, and designed to fit naturally when shooting from real-world positions. Whether you're prone, supported, or working off uneven terrain, the rifle settles quickly and stays predictable under recoil. That matters when your focus is center mass placement and clean follow-up shots, not fighting the rifle. The action runs smooth, with a short bolt throw that feels fast without being sloppy. Feeding is reliable, and the trigger breaks clean with very little take-up, which helps maintain consistency shot to shot. Accuracy is where the Rogue earns its reputation. With quality ammo, half MOA performance is realistic, not theoretical. Recoil management is excellent for a rifle this light, which adds confidence in sporting use, survival scenarios, or a defensive role where stopping power and control matter more than brand recognition. Number 2 is the Browning XBOLT Pro. The XBOLT Pro is one of those rifles that doesn't need to prove anything anymore, but it keeps getting better anyway. Browning took a platform that was already well respected and refined the details that matter in actual use. For 2026, the Pro version remains a strong choice for shooters who want a lightweight rifle that still feels solid and predictable when it's time to work. The action is smooth and deliberate, with a short bolt throw that clears optics easily and keeps cycling fast without rushing you. It feeds cleanly from Browning's rotary magazine, which stays secure and doesn't rattle around when you're moving. The barrel is fluted and well-balanced, helping manage heat while keeping overall weight down. Accuracy is consistent, with sub-MOA performance very achievable using quality factory ammo. The carbon fiber stock keeps things light but rigid, and the recoil pad does a good job of keeping follow-up shots controlled. Center mass placement feels natural, even from less than ideal positions. For sporting use, survival planning, or a legally responsible home defense role, the XBOLT Pro offers dependable stopping power with a refined, no-drama feel. It's a rifle that rewards steady hands and real-world use. Number 1 is the Sako S20. This rifle earns the top spot not because it's the most expensive or the most talked about, but because it adapts better than almost anything else on the market. The Sako S20 sits right at the intersection of a traditional hunting rifle and a precision-oriented platform, and for 2026, that balance is more relevant than ever. It's built for shooters who want one rifle that can cover a lot of ground without feeling like a compromise. The modular stock system is the standout feature. Length of pull, cheek height, and grip angle can all be tuned to the shooter, which translates directly into better consistency and more confident center mass placement. The action is exceptionally smooth, with a short bolt throw that stays controlled and predictable even under stress. The barrel quality is outstanding, and half MOA performance with premium factory ammo is very realistic. Recoil management is excellent for a rifle with this level of precision, allowing quick recovery and steady follow-up shots. Whether you're using it for sporting purposes, long-term survival planning, or a legally responsible home defense role, the S20 delivers serious stopping power with a level of control that's hard to ignore. It doesn't force you to adapt to the rifle. It adapts to you, and that's why it sits at number 1. That wraps up our list of the 8 must-have hunting rifles for 2026. None of these picks are about hype or trends. They're about rifles that perform when conditions aren't perfect and excuses don't help. If you got value out of this breakdown, drop a comment and let me know which rifle you'd trust and why. If you've got questions or want us to take a deeper look at a specific setup, ask below. This is Scoper 360 Degrees, and if you want straight, real-world gear talk, make sure you're subscribed. We'll see you in the next one.